Welcome back to another daily video. In today's video, we are hopefully wrapping up with the wrap on the R8. I'm not sure if we have enough yet, but the goal is to have it completely done in this video if we do have enough material. Hopefully you saw yesterday's video where we showed you in detail how to do the front portion here, but today, let's just get it done. It's day 2 now, and I hope you guys enjoyed that short montage because it took us about 5 hours to do this entire side here. And we're running short of knifeless tape as well. We got, what, 150 feet?
Yeah, we're not looking too good.
And 150 feet, and we've done this much here from the Audi logo over, and you know, of course, the other side there. But it is looking really good. Comment down below, what do you guys think of this? It's definitely a bold color choice. I wanted it to be bright, vibrant, and crazy, and I think I nailed it. Just don't know how people are gonna react to it, so we'll see.
Who cares?
Well, yeah, I think it looks awesome. We are on to day 4 now. We've got a lot of work done on the car. We still have a lot of work left to go though. It looks like we've covered most of the car. we need to work on finishing up the back end here. We're gonna save the roof for last just to see how much material we have left. We gotta do the front of the bumper and then the mirror caps as well. So we got a lot of work left in today's video. Hopefully we can finish up the car today. And with the spoiler back on the car, that is gonna do it for today's video. I didn't get as far as I thought I would. The spoiler took me about 3 hours today. Wasn't expecting to take it apart, but that made the wrap a whole lot easier in doing that, so taking it off was definitely a must. So far in this project, this is day 4. I've spent about $120 so far on vinyl. I ran out of knifeless tape. I should have some tomorrow, so that way we can continue with all of the larger chunks. And I may also have to order more vinyl, so tomorrow we'll be working on the car day 5, getting everything hopefully squared away, see if I do in fact need to order any more vinyl. But I hope you guys are enjoying this mini series wrapping the R8. It's definitely a lot of work. It's taking a little bit longer than I thought, but I cannot wait for the final product. I hope you're excited for it. That'll be coming soon. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. We'll see you next video.